Hi, my name is Alex Coach with GusandShow.com. I want to talk to you about low credit scores with conventionals. I'm seeing that the computer's not really approving them, so be very wary. So if you have to go conventional for A, you've got high student loan debt and we need to do the IBR payments or the zero payments you have on your credit report, then you have to have decent credit. So if you got low credit scores, it may not approve you. Because of COVID, it's starting to deny. Even the home ready products that go down to 620, they're tough to get approved. They really want higher credit scores. Now also, the low credit scores are going to affect your rate and your PMI, and that's going to hurt your qualification, how much you can spend. So bad credit, we're still doing low credit scores conventional, but it's very few that get approved below 680. They're tough out there. I don't know what they did exactly to the desktop underwriter, but it's a little tougher. So if you got low credit, give us a call. We'll play around with that computer. Hopefully we get approval for you. If not, then maybe we'll have to flip you to FHA and deal with those, whatever FHA has to give us. So give me a call if you got any questions with low scores for conventional. We'll see what we can do. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.